Hello, Chippewa students. For those of you who haven't met me yet, I am Ms. Hollahan and I am the principal of Chippewa Middle School, and it is my great pleasure to welcome you to the 22-23 school year. I want to offer a special welcome to our new 6th graders, as well as students who are new to our building as 7th and 8th graders. And I want to welcome back all the students who were with us last year. To all students, we are so excited to start the 22-23 school year with you. We look forward to learning with you. We have a fantastic academic program where you're going to learn about lots of different things, as well as learning more about yourself. We have a new motto this year. We are going to be taking charge of our community, where CHARGE stands for connect, honor, accept, reflect, grow, and empathize. So we take charge of our community by connecting, to join together, to bring together, to connect with one another. We honor, which is to fulfill an obligation. We will be accepting, which is to receive something willingly. We will reflect, which is to think deeply and carefully. We want to grow so we can become better over time, and empathize, that we can imagine what someone else might be feeling. So the month of September, our focus is going to be on the verb connect. A new school year means a fresh start. And a new grade level means a chance to connect with new classmates and new teachers. So over the first few days of school, please meet some new classmates, ask open-ended questions, invite someone new to sit at your lunch table, bring together new and old acquaintances. As we connect as a community, we are going to be friendly and welcoming to new classmates. We're going to be considerate and help others out. We will be curious. We will learn more about our new classmates. Our goal for today and tomorrow, and really for September and beyond, is to meet new classmates, to know that you're going to learn a lot more about how Chippewa works. We encourage you to ask questions and really try not to worry. We will figure things out. If there's anything that you need help with, we can help. And I want you all to be kind to each other, to yourself, and to the adults in this building. We are so glad that you are here. Each and every student belongs here. Each and every student is seen here. Each and every student will get an excellent education, and each and every student will be cared for here. So have a fantastic start to the 22-23 school year. We will see you soon.